Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from Coinswitch to MetaMask. First, install or open MetaMask on your browser or mobile device. Then select the cryptocurrency you want to receive, such as ETH, USDT, or USDC. Then copy your wallet address carefully. Make sure you choose the correct network, for example, Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain. Next, open the Coinswitch app or website and ensure you have the cryptocurrency ready to send to your balance. Now, select Send or Withdraw Crypto. Paste your MetaMask wallet address into the recipient field or enter the amount you want to transfer. After that, ensure the network matches exactly the one selected in MetaMask. Using the wrong network can cause permanent loss of funds. Then, double-check the wallet address, network, and amount before proceeding. Confirm the transaction in Coinswitch and wait for blockchain confirmation, which usually takes a few minutes depending on the network. Finally, open MetaMask and check your balance. Refresh the wallet if needed. If the funds do not appear after confirmation, contact MetaMask support for assistance. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.